It is mentioned in Shiva Puran that there was one time when Brahma and Vishnu had an argument on who was the most powerful amongst the Trimurti. The argument went on and on until they asked Shiva to intervene. Shiva then took the form of a gigantic lingam made of a flaming fire that went up to the heavens and descended underneath the earth. Shiva told them that the one who can find the end of the light would be considered the most powerful among them. Right then and there, Brahma took the form of a swan and started the search for the end of the light along the length of ascending lingam, that is the top. On the other hand, Vishnu took the form of a Varaha, that is the wild boar, and started the search for the end of the light along the length of descending lingam, the bottom of the earth. They kept moving fast and continuously, but their search was in vain, both couldn't find the end. Vishnu realized that Shiva was, in fact, the greatest of the three, and he had been outdone by Shiva. But Brahma thought that he could outdo Shiva with trickery. He passed the Ketki flower and requested Ketki to tell Shiva that he had reached the uppermost end. Ketki told Shiva that he had seen Brahma reach the upper end of the lingam. Shiva knew that he was lying, and that made him angry. So he cursed Brahma that he shall never be worshipped on earth, nor there will be many temples built on him. Also Shiva became extremely angry at Ketki flower for lying and declared that this flower could never be used in my worship again after today. I am not going to accept this flower. Since then, we should never offer Ketki flower to Lord Shiva. In Matsya Puran, Shatarupa is known with different names: Shatarupa, Sandhya or Brahmi. It says that when Brahma created the universe, he made a female deity known as Shatarupa, the one with 100 beautiful forms. The beauty of the goddess was fascinating, and Brahma too was infatuated by her beauty. He could not contain his passion and pursued her wherever she went. But Shatarupa had no such desire and moved in various directions so that she could avoid his gaze. For each direction she went, Brahma developed a head until he had 4, each for the direction of the compass. Shatarupa had no other option but to leap over Brahma. Even then, Brahma developed another head on top of others. He had a total of 5 heads now. Right then, Shiva appeared and cut the top head. He told Brahma that Shatarupa was in fact Brahma's daughter because he created her, and Shiva told him that it was not right for him to be obsessed with her. It was deemed unholy by Shiva. So he directed that no proper worship should be done in the name of unholy Brahma. Ever since, Brahma has been reciting the Vedas so that he can be freed from his sins. Another version of the story talks about different kinds of animals that were born. When Brahma grew his 5th head, Shatarupa then turned into a cow to avoid his lust. When Brahma found out about that, he turned into a bull and found her. Then Shatarupa turned into another female animal. Brahma again turned into a male version of that animal. That process continued until Shiva arrived and cut Brahma's 5th head to end his lust. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more content.